what is this language I never heard in my life, and I'm now supposed to mouth these lines as if it's like just like everyday thing. I was one of the first actresses from North who dubbed for herself in Telugu.
Here's a person who's never acted, or at least does not like the idea of acting in the first place, because you don't want to play other people. And of all the things that you do, you go down south to work in a language you don't even know. Like, why would you do that?
I'm telling you, I'm very experimentally unpredictable person. Even I don't know what I'm going to do next. I have realized, and I have kind of accepted it. So what happened there was, I was modeling in my college days purely for the sake of earning money, because everybody kept saying that खुद पैसा कमाओगे तो पता चलेगा पैसे की value.
Parents said that to you?
Obviously.
Sure.
And there was no concept of pocket money in my house, and I used to get money basis whatever I needed. So I said, देख लेते हैं कमा के कैसे होता है फिर. So I started. I mean, not that I had this plan of modeling. Someone said that you know, get a picture, few pictures clicked, you look good enough, and you can probably just do few shoots and earn money. So I felt, okay, fine, it's a simple idea I can manage with my studies, because I never wanted to give up my studies for anything. I really loved studying.
Okay.
So I said, okay, fine, I can manage it side by side, and I did. I got my pictures clicked. I started getting work immediately, started earning good money for a college student, and yes, did shopping, whatever I wanted to and all that. And slowly, when in final year, I was placed in third year, and in fourth year when my CAT result came, I did not score the percentile I thought I should for an MBA degree, to get into an MBA school. So then I thought, okay, I'll drop that 1 year and I will not join Infosys, because I don't want to start working. I want to do my MBA.
So you got a call from Infosys?
I was campus placed.
You were placed? Wow.
Yeah, I was campus placed in Infosys. That was the first company that came for placement, and I wanted to just get done with it, because I just wanted to show it to my parents that if I want, I can do this. It was always about, I don't want anybody to feel कि मजबूरी में और option नहीं थी, she is doing this with anything.
Right.
So be it with MBA, that मजबूरी है तो आगे कर रही है क्योंकि नौकरी नहीं लगी. It was not like that. I had a job of offer letter. And MBA also, I had 88 percentile. I could go and join a B school. I didn't want to, because I knew I could do better. So I wanted to drop that 1 year, prepare properly.
So it will be IIMs or none?
Yeah,
That's
highway or my way.
Right.
Yeah, so it was always like that. So I thought, okay, fine, let's just drop that 1 year and give the exam again. And during that 1 year, being the hyperactive person I am, I've never done one thing at a time. I've always done 5. So I can't just sit at home and study. It'll drive me crazy. Let me just do other stuff, something different. And then modeling was out of the window, because it was getting too boring for me to do modeling. I stopped it in my third year itself. And then I was getting calls for these films from South, especially because they get a lot of girls from North to work in their films, and they were like, we have a lot of girls like you who don't speak the language, but we can teach, it'll be fine, you'll be comfortable. I thought they were more confident about my skills than myself. So I said, okay, fine, I would love to give it a shot, because I honestly want to try. So doing something different. So I went down there with my CAT books, preparation books, thinking that I'm going to study while I do my acting, and it's going to be fine. But obviously I was wrong again. I couldn't even open my CAT books there, because I was so deeply into those dialogue sheets. What is this language I never heard in my life, and I'm now supposed to mouth these lines as if it's like just like everyday thing. That was not, I knew it was going to be like, I have to learn a new language and then learn this craft.
Right.
But I didn't think that it's going to be so difficult. And I kind of overestimated myself.
Back in the day when a lot of Bollywood actors used to work in the South, apparently they just said 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and get away with it.
Apparently, even I heard that. I can't do this. And I'm so bad at it, I can't take prompting, because it distracts me. I've seen so many actors in front of me who even know the language much, like they know they know the language better than me. They take prompting. But it's just so distracting to take prompting from outside. I couldn't. And probably because, I'm that science, maths loving student who couldn't ratify the line answers. So that was one of my reasons to actually not to take commerce, because I couldn't learn these long, ratify these answers. So I had to learn it by heart. So actually by hearted these lines, learned it, and because of which probably I was one of the first actresses from North who dubbed for herself in Telugu.
Interesting.
My third film was dubbed by myself. My fifth film was dubbed by myself in Telugu. Tamil was not that consistent. I used to take long breaks between my Tamil films, so I couldn't catch up with Tamil as well. But Telugu,
But you learned the language by then.
Yeah.
Enough to be able to.
Yeah, I can manage my way through. I mean, Telugu I can talk. I can have a conversation in Telugu.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. But in Tamil, I can't. I can manage my way through. I can't have a fluent conversation.
I in fact watched a couple of your shows, interviews, where the person's asking you in Tamil, but you're replying in English.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm like, why isn't the person asking in English also? But you were getting the questions.
Yeah,
though.
yeah.
You understood exactly what was going on.
Yeah, Tamil is only incoming, no outgoing. But
Okay.
with Telugu, it happens both ways. So that
So
is.
you would actually answer in Telugu as well?
Yes,
if you were-
yes.
Okay.
I've done
Wow.
that recently for promoting this film. I go and talk in Telugu. That is fine because I've lived in Hyderabad for 3 years, and I have done almost double or almost close to triple the number of films in Telugu in comparison to Tamil. So I can actually speak much better Telugu.
But you loved what you were studying too. That's what
I
you
did.
said.
I did.
And you were studying engineering.
Yes, I loved the study part of it.
Sure.
I did not.
Nobody likes being in engineering college. So, I mean, that's a given.
No, I don't know how to explain it. So basically, I was a front bencher student whenever I was in the class, which was rare because I was always outside for some or the other competition,
Right.
dancing, public speaking, something or the or for my modeling thing. So, but whenever I'm in class, I'm very proudly sitting there in the front bench answering questions, following up with what's happening. So it was kind of a very weird. I've been a jack of all trades, master of none. So that's why it's a pretty weird
Were you the
combination.
only girl in your class?
No.
So there's only one girl and that's Tapsi Pannu. Good for those guys, huh? Good for the engineering college.
No. There were like 10, 12 girls and in a class
Out of
of
150?
60.
Okay, 60. Not
Yeah,
so
not
bad.
that bad. Not that bad, yeah. The ratio is quite off, but then it was not like, you think Tapsi Pannu, you looking at me right now is the same girl sitting there. No, it was not like that. I'm sure they're all having a double take in their heads every day when they look at me, what I'm doing
Really?
today. Yeah, because even there, I used to have these big fights with this college drama society for space to practice for my dance, and I had a dance team,
Right.
and there was a dramatic society, and we both used to fight for the same space in college to practice. And I used to hate all these dramatics and just like call them names that they keep doing all this
You
drama.
look down upon them basically.
Yeah, I was like, what is this nonsense of pretense? You're trying to just like be someone else and all that. So I was like, see what life does to you, you know?
Right.
They must be laughing at me right now. So I've had those moments where I'm like, I'm not interested. So this kind of a very crazy, chaotic college life, which I think even they must be
But
thinking.
weren't you getting like a lot of male attention?
No.
It's an engineering college, for God's
Yeah,
sake.
I mean, just because I'm a girl, yes. But
Sure.
it was, because the ratio is so off. Yeah, but I did used to get attention, but had it been any other girl, she would have been getting attention. So it was not like anything special with me, honestly.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.